So, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon guys is bakit mas pinipili ng nakararaming Pilipina guys ang magpakasal sa isang foreigner. In my own opinion, kasi nga may asawa kong Indiano, di ba? Bakit hindi? Kasi tayong mga Pilipina, karamihan sa atin, di ba? So, hindi naman tayo maghahanap guys ng foreigner kung hindi natin nasubukan ba na makipag-relasyon sa Pilipino. So, karamihan sa atin guys, nasaktan, ganyan, I think so, mga ganong bagay. Bakit nga ba ako nagpakasal sa foreigner? For me kasi guys, answered prayer ang aking asawa para sa akin. Kasi pinag-pray ko talaga ito guys. Hindi ko man pinag-pray na bigyan ako ng Indiano, pero siya yung binigay. Pero akala ko noon guys, Western siya, you know, kasi maputi siya, di ba? Kanya-kanya naman tayong choices, karapatan na mamili kung sino yung makakasama natin habang buhay, di ba? Kung sino yung tingin natin na magiging responsable, hindi tayo lulukohin, ayan. Yung mamahalin tayo kung sino tayo, kung ano tayo, yung ipaglalaban tayo kung kinakailangan. So, nakita ko lahat yun sa asawa ko guys, kaya siya yung pinili kong pakasalan. Saka guys, in our 7 years of relationship guys, LDR, never siya nag-cheat guys. Kasi alam ko yun guys, kasi halos everyday kami magkausap. Alam ko lahat ng account niya. So na-check ko din yun. So, ganun din yung ginawa ko, syempre. Sinuklihan ko yung pagiging loyal niya, mapagmahal niya. Kaya nag-work yung relationship namin guys as LDR. Guys, wag nating lalahatin guys na lahat ng Pilipina ay habol, ay pera, dahil malaki, ganyan. Dahil maraming Pilipina guys ang nakapag-asawa ng foreigner na naghahanap buhay pa rin sa ibang bansa para sa sarili nila, tsaka para makatulong sila sa kanilang pamilya. So you wanna say something about it?
Yeah.
Like why many Filipina choose to marry foreigner?
I don't know Filipino mindset, like why they marry, but what I can say, like there were many comments there, right? Why you married me particularly? Like two type of comments mostly, right? First was from money, and second was clearly showing their indecency and their insecurities. So let's say it's for money. First of all, do anybody realize that Filipino currency is like 1.5 times more than Indian currency, right? So if for money, it's no way, because I made it clear before we even started dating that you won't be able to get any money from me, because
Yes.
I have money. I tell you honestly, okay? I'm just upper middle class. I'm not rich also. I have money, but I'm not an ATM machine. And it's so strongly against my morals to buy love, you know. When our first met, we shared our expenses, you know. It can cause many couple fights for today, I know. Well, that covers my first point. My second point is what other comments were saying is she married for, you know, what? Alright.
Dahil malaki daw guys.
Yeah, they have some X-ray, I think. Because I got many comments even in my YouTube channel about this thing. Who knows that? Like, but I have heard it from many girls that it doesn't matter. Okay.
It doesn't matter. For me it doesn't matter.
For her, it doesn't matter. It makes me sad sometimes that, you know, it doesn't matter for her, but it doesn't matter for her. So, but it should, right? It should, as a guy. Anyway, what I mean is, like, it's not a thing to marry somebody, at least. That I know, like, it matter or not matter. For some it does also, by the way. But if for some it doesn't, then it's still not a thing to marry. Okay? So these 2 points were I wanted to clear, which were in comment. But as a Filipina, you know better why Filipinas marry foreigner. I'm nobody to judge.
Yes, so guys, bakit hindi na lang tayo maging masaya sa kapwa nating Pilipino na nakahanap ng, let's say, masasabi kong forever guys, kasi marami naman talagang Pilipina ang nakakahanap ng forever sa ibang lahi, So dapat maging masaya na lang tayo guys, tsaka huwag nyong lalahatin guys na ang mga Pilipina mukhang pera, gusto lang dahil malaki, ganyan. Huwag ganun guys, kasi hindi lahat ganun ang habol guys. So yun lang ang masasabi ko guys. Sana maging masaya na lang kayo para sa amin, no? So sa mga sasabi ng mga negative comments, ganyan. So, be happy na lang. Yun lang ang masasabi ko, no? So, salamat guys sa panonood.